Welcome to Design Civil. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to model a wall cladding in Revit. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and like this video. Alright, so I will start by creating a new Revit file from the metric architectural template. Using the shortcut UN, I'll change my project units to meters. Okay, now let me create a wall. I'll select the wall, and on the property panel I'll open the edit type. From here I will duplicate the type. Next to structure parameter, I will open edit, select core bound and insert a new structure. For the function, I'll change it to finish, and for the materials, I'll change it to aluminum. Thickness will be 4 centimeters. Okay, so let's see how this looks in 3D. So actually there are other methods that can be used to model this type of cladding, just that this one is a little bit straightforward. That being said, let's start creating the panel. So I'll select the wall, and here you can find the create part tool. Over here you find the divide part and merge part. So if you want to divide the parts, select divide part. I'll select edit sketch. Before we start, you need to set the work plane to the face of the panel. So I'll select set. You want to set the plane to the face of the panel, so select pick a plane. Okay, and now from here I'm going to draw a border around the wall. After that, I'll draw a horizontal line. I will then copy the line down as required. For the vertical, I will do the same. So you can as well use the lines to create an irregular shape, just like what you are going to have here. So after you finish sketching your panels, go over to gap spacing and change that to 3 centimeters. Finish the drawing. So we'll finish modeling our panels. It's now time to change their color. So I'll select any of these. I'll move down to material by order and check that. For the material, I'll select it, and here I'll search of aluminum. Down here I can find aluminums that has different colors, so I'll try this one. so that changes the color of my panel. You can also add doors and windows, and there will be no problem doing that. And as well make adjustment. Come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.